Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Andy Jenkins checking in. I am doing an analysis on Great British Pound USD, yes, 4X. So we're looking at the day chart. We're in live markets right now. And as y'all can see, you can see 2017, 18, 19, 20, and 21. We're in 21, y'all. So I got some key levels in right now. Y'all can see those levels. There's the low of the year. We were just pretty much a low, and that's during COVID time. This is the COVID drop, COVID crash, and the recovery of the market, and it's been trending ever since April of last year. So we'll put a trend line. I'm gonna draw the trend line from here. So we're gonna put a trend line here, so we can know we can find this next available trade that is needed to be traded. So we're gonna put a trend line here. You can see as everything, you got trend line touches all the way through here. Now the market has got more powerful and more massive. So let's put another trend line on that. Start from here when the massive kicked in, and it just start going up more. And here, let me try to fix that a little bit. I like my chart to look a little bit somewhat pretty. Do that so they connect. We're gonna do a bold. I'm gonna bold that. I like bolding my trend lines. I don't know about you guys, but I like doing that on my day chart. I bold mine white because this is the overall trend. This represents the overall trend. This is what the market has been doing. It's proof. The proof is in the pudding. All right. So let's do. I'm gonna finish bolding my trend lines. Boom. We got some bold action on those trend lines there. So let's find out what's going on. Where is the next trade gonna be? Where's the next trade gonna be? Got a high level of resistance. We see at this point here, it broke the key level and it falls. It broke here and it falls. As you can see, it's broke down to 36. So you go 37, 30. I don't want to do that. It's just what it did. Excuse my language. A 600 pip drop right there, just from here to there. And I'm not even talking about this drop. Y'all know that is tremendous. But let's take a look. See what happened at this key level. Oh, it used to be a support level. It was a level of support on the high time frames. Y'all can see these levels here. So we have the support level and and the resistance level. These are supply zones. So we got supply and demand when using support and resistance. It's giving y'all a little something, just a little something. Give y'all the taste, you know. So we can go to a smaller time frame. Let's find out what's going on, and we're in a strong uptrend. So how would you trade a trend? So let's go to some smaller time frames. Find some key levels of support. So we know a key level of support was here. There was support there because it was an old resistance level. Let's get that marked in there. Find out what that price is. Change colors on that. Let's make it orange. Matter of fact, let's call that. Let's put a name on it. So we know this level here is a key resistance level. And the markets that have been going up to that price. So let's find the other key support levels as we go to some smaller time frames. I like to use the 4-hour chart. So we got support there. We also have support here. There's real support was there, but it broke. So we have support here. We call that a price break when it breaks support. So we got some smaller levels. We call that minor support. So we're gonna get the chart marked up and ready for trading. Minor support. Show that on the left. Put the price on the right. I'm not extending anything out. Just put that there. Boom. Got a minor support there. We have a minor support here as well. This was a high at some point, and it came back and retest. See if I can draw that a lot more better. We just kind of put it here, right here, between both of them. We call that support. So the minor level support. Minor support level. The orange, we can put the right price on the right. Show that on the chart. Got some levels here. Now, looking at a smaller time frame, so let's go ahead and add an additional trend line here. It's trending up. So y'all know me, I like to make mine kind of pretty. So let's try to put it in way back here. Let's get one adjust it to this. Let's see here, can I adjust this correctly? Keep that red. It's on the 4-hour chart. Boom. So we know it made a high there at 4204. Let's kind of move that level up to 4247. Let's do that. That's the new high. Let's do that. And there we go. Now, how would you trade this trend? You gotta know the support level. So let's find the next resistance level on this because let's say the market want to continue to move up to the upside. Where is it going? We have a find out where that's going. Let's find out where that's going. Look at previous data. So I'm going to go to something maybe to a day chart. Allow me to find that data. And that's here right here. Got some action right here. Right there. What's this price? The high was 43.44.5. Anybody see that? That's over there was in this bar that says high at. H at stands for high. So 44, 43, 44.5. We'll get there. That's correct. 43, 44.5. We'll stay red with it. We'll stay on the red side. Leave it there. See, we have another level, but that would be a considered a sell area. Find something on the buy side of things. There we go. Something on the buy side right here. Right, we got another. If the market breaks back down underneath that price, let's find out where we go. Oh, here we go right here. All this level here, all this. All right, we're gonna stay right there with that. Boom, here we go. We're gonna stick with this what we have here. All right. One thing y'all see now our chart is coming together a little bit of old support levels. Excuse me, old minor support levels. Boom, boom, boom. We got that. Now we have an area where if this thing really retraces back, you have another way of getting in on this buy. So we're gonna expect that it reached this high. We expect it to come down here. If it does a price break, if it breaks through here and it really want to go lower, you can see where it may go. It can go here on a 4034 or to the other close of the candles. Or if it does a real true price break and really reverse and go the other direction, we know it's going to the support down at 38. So let's take a look. Let's take a look at this on a smaller time frame. I'm gonna use the 1 hour here. So there it is. I didn't even put this there. We used a taller time frame, and there it is. And that was your buy right there. So we looking at a maybe possible retest. I didn't even know that was there, y'all. I didn't even know it was there. Just pure market analysis and it's just skill, forex skill. So right now, okay, now let's make a zone. We got a zone here. Let's look at this. We have a buy zone right here. It's right here, y'all. Don't go far with it. So we have a buy zone. We have a buy zone. You need to monitor this area. We know where it wants to go. If this move wants to continue to move higher, we know it wants to go here. But right now, right now, we're going to stay in the current market state. We're not trading we're not going to use all this to trade. We're trading live markets, y'all. So here we're in the state right now. We have put a trend line here to here. Right now, currently, the market's moving down. As you can see, it made this high. It's been moving lower. It's been moving lower. It's been moving lower. So, with that being said, but now, if you look at the current situation over the last few hours, it's been moving back up. So we're gonna see if it really gonna break a level here, break a level here. But if we want to get into a buy, we're gonna stay with the overall trend. There's other things that you can possibly use um, to indicate whether this thing is gonna continue to fall. What today is Thursday, so it's end of the week. Um, Let me check that. Let me keep it. My days. Yes, it's Thursday, end of the week. One more trading day after today, so this could continue to fall down just because it's going towards the end of the week. It made a high. It made a high. It might get back into this buy zone by tomorrow and end up pushing by the end of the week. Maybe it'll break this high or maybe next week. But you have to use your analysis and see what you got. The next zone it possibly can go is here. Sorry about that. I need to adjust that. We'll make this one a different color. This thing stays moving down. This is where it may go.